YouTube, back at it again with another what's for dinner. So these are new. It's a Zinger drip wings, but this is my go-to. I get the gravy mega bites. That's what I love. Sometimes I get popcorn chicken, but that's like very rare. This year I probably only got that twice. I want to try this first, but take a look. See, so it comes with a piece of chicken, 2 wings, and the chicken strip. For my Americans, that's a fillet, tender, chicken tender, right? And these are the drip. I thought they were gonna be more drippy, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the one right at the bottom. Ooh. So it looks a bit soggy, but I don't mind soggy as long as it got the regular hot wing flavor. I'm salivating already. Wow. Oh, it is spicy. It's got like a vinegary taste. So it's definitely got a kick. I can't figure out what kind of hot sauce they use. It's giving Tabasco, but Tabasco would be better. This tastes like vinegary. I'm gonna give it a 7. It's still a good wing. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm gonna have to eat these because they're gonna go more soggy. So KFC gravy is always a bit hit and miss. Excuse me for looking over there. Sometimes I be thinking and then my mind just... gristle. Right? Consistency is a bit thick. I got so much cartilage in my mouth. It's a bit thick, but we like thick. Winner, winner.